This is a sign from heaven that you are on your way to a breakthrough and better days. Allow yourself to relax and stop watching the boiling pot. The divine is watching your every move, so rest assured that your angels have removed all obstructions and any distractions from your path to victory. For the time being, keep doing you. All abundance comes from small blessings, so start within yourself and the rest will take care of itself. You must be a reflection of the world you wish to embrace. The universe senses the energy you send out, and you will receive exactly what you put out. It's never a bad idea to work on your patience too. Believe that it will always come at the most unexpected time. No one is exempt from experiencing setbacks at some point in their lives. It is the awakening of your soul, and it's always been a part of the process of recognizing who you truly are. Pain always teaches us to grow. We become stronger as we grow. Our wisdom is the key to our consciousness. Our awareness makes us appreciate the little things more. Discovering all of these were life lessons in finding out our true happiness and contentment. So, be blessed and have a wonderful day.